Hi, my name is John Walsh with Logic Group, and in this video, I have a paper drawing of a machine part that we're going to trace and save as a DXF file so it can be cut out of metal. I'm also going to use my iPad to control the digitizing. Makes the whole process a little bit easier. Start up the Logic Trace software, and I simply move the control window over to the side of the screen, and that puts it on my iPad. On the computer screen, I'm going to maximize my screen, make it a little bit bigger. And then on my iPad, I'm going to maximize that screen, fills it up. So now I can push buttons on the iPad and control everything. So looking at my part here, I've got some lines, arcs, and circles. So I'm going to start with doing lines. I just push the line button on the iPad. I click Trace Start, and then I digitize the points for those lines. And then it will show me those lines on the computer screen. I now have an arc here. I'm going to switch to an arc. And then I do the midpoint of that arc and the end point of that arc. I now have a line. I push the line button on the iPad to the end point of that line. I now have another arc. I come in here to arc. And then I digitize the midpoint of the arc, the end point of the arc. I now have two more lines. I click line, and then I do the end point of that line, end point of that line, and then I click stop. Take a look at my computer screen, and I have a great outline. It was so easy and so fast. Let's now do the circles. I have 4 large circles here. I'm going to do that using the 3 points. So I come in here and I click on the iPad 3-point circle, and then I click Trace Start. And I just, on each circle, digitize any 3 points. And then on the computer screen, it's going to ask me what the diameter is. I'm going to see that's okay. Got my first circle. Really can't see the circles for a minute here because they're a bit small. Okay, diameter, the second one. Third one, I just do 3 points. Ask me what the diameter is. And then I do my last circle, 3 points. And then click continue. And there you should be able to see the circles in the outline. I have 4 more circles here on the drawing. They're all small 1-inch circles, and I know the center point, so I'm just going to do them as 1-point circles. So I click stop for there, and then on the iPad, I click that 1-point circle, and then I click set diameter, and it's going to be 1 inch. And then I click trace start, and then I just do those center points of those circles, and then I click stop. Look on my computer screen, everything looks really good. Let's redraw it without those points. It looks just perfect, and then I go in there and I save it as a DXF file. My name is John Walsh with Logic Group. If you have any questions about this product, please contact me. Thank you.